I finish cleaning it. Look at the result. It's time to blend. Yeah. This is how I mix it. This is onion. Then if you like, it's the thing of choice. Then you can put, this is egg. I just use just one. Then habanero pepper, you have to slice it a little bit. Small, chop it little. And add to it, and a little bit of salt. So then mix. Then this is the oil. On low heat, don't forget that. Low heat. Look at it. Low heat. This is how to make Nigeria Akara. See how beautiful it is. This is the mixed one already. The one I've done already. So beautiful. And very delicious. If you want it dry, then you have to press it. If you are the type that like the dried one, you have to press it very well for it to get very dry. You see? This is super good. Remove, and make sure before you put the another one, you have to remove all this one from inside the oil, so that it will not make the other one to be rough. You have to remove them all. So this is it. And don't forget, you are making it with low heat. Very low heat. Not that low anyway. Maybe if you have, like my gas is 10. So I put it on 7. This is it. Because I don't want it to get burnt before it get dried. You see? See, this one I've done already. Super good. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. This is the final of the akara, so we are done. So I have to eat it with Ijebu gari.